This is why you never mess with the fire mage. Let's break down what happens when you get burnt anime style. Picture this. You're a brave hero, facing off against a fire-breathing dragon. Suddenly, flame on. Your skin gets a major heat wave. But what's really happening? First, the heat damages your skin cells faster than a shonen protagonist powers up. Your skin freaks out, releasing proteins that scream, "Help!" This draws in your body's emergency responders, like white blood cells, faster than you can say Kamehameha. Now you might see some redness and feel pain that's more intense than failing to summon your ultimate attack at the crucial moment. That's because your nerve endings are firing up, sending SOS signals to your brain. Ouch! If the burn's bad enough, you might even get blisters. Think of them like popped power-up bubbles that protect the damaged area. Not pretty, but necessary. So next time you're watching your favorite hero's battle fire, remember the real-life science behind those fiery scenes. Stay safe, anime fans, and keep those fire spells in check. Until next time, stay epic.